इज GS1 and 3 के लिए आप ज़्यादा पढ़ते हो, ओके? And generally in most options also, अगर आप देखोगे, the paper one that is lumbar, right? So what ends up happening is that the previous day you end up spending a lot more of time, in studying your paper one, in studying your paper 3. And because of which GS2 and GS4 के लिए whatever थोड़ा सा time जो मिलता है उतना ही आपको मिलता है. Some of that 15 minutes before just to come outside, sometimes half an hour भी बन जाता है, 20 minutes हो जाता है. Then you have to have your lunch as well. ठीक है, पता नहीं कि what will be the scene there. Going back also you have to basically sort of wrap up half an hour prior, so you're going to get very little time. If you get, it is going to be some 45 minutes. So GS2 and GS4, which is kind of more scoring also, but we don't know what is going to be scoring. Every paper is kind of scoring man lo, right? These two के लिए study more. Right? So whatever you kind of write in your mocks जो होते हैं, right? So mocks के लिए अच्छे से पढ़ते जाते हो, because unless you're basically writing in the afternoon after your GS1, or if you're writing it in the GS4 को, after your GS3 लिख रहे हो, you would have not actually felt कि how does it really feel to write with only 45 minutes of last minute का revision. So just, इसको beforehand ही revise कर लो. ठीक है, if you have a day before that, or the prior day, ठीक है, in that morning तो time नहीं मिलने वाला है. ठीक है, so you just ensure कि both of these things get the time it kind of deserves, with the assumption that you probably have 0 minutes between this and this paper का that you're going to have time to go through. We don't know. ठीक है, maximum अगर half an hour है, great. 45 minutes है तो great. ठीक है, but assume the worst case scenario कि you don't have any kind of time that is available. Even then I should be able to write my entire GS2, I should be able to write my entire GS4. ठीक है, GS4 के लिए in case you have a particular framework that you want to kind of implement for your case studies, or if there is something that you want to take a look at, let's say international relations, I just have to go through the international relations, who's part of SCO, who's part of this, ठीक है, India and so kind of country. अगर आपको कुछ देखना है, ठीक है, and you don't get that particular time, will you still be able to generate those kind of points? If not, उसको देख लो कि क्या करना है in a short period, okay, and then give it. So this basically is generally a thing that ends up getting less time than what students want in comparison to GS1 and 3. GS1 and 3 के लिए आपको time मिलता है because you have the entire morning, and the previous day also you're thinking अरे यार history है, geography है, society है, right? And GS3 है तो मतलब agri है, economy है, environment, disaster management, internal security, you'll end up spending more time. So this is one thing that you want to do. Okay, generally when you're writing these kind of papers, timing. Okay, so in terms of the timing, what I generally tell you is please do speed writing before the exam. Speed writing 1 hour के लिए कर सकते हो, okay, or around 20 pages. Okay, you could do this, or you could write answers. This is for those of you who have trouble in completing the paper in the mornings, right? Mostly if somebody is having trouble in completing the paper, generally वो morning में होते हैं, right? It is because you're not warmed up. ठीक है, your hand is not warmed up, your forearm is not warmed up, your shoulder is not warmed up, your brain is also basically not warmed up. So when you go there, you're kind of starting off slow. So पहला वाला block itself is going to take you a little extra time. But if you have written some answers in the morning, ठीक है, you'll feel कि मतलब last minute में revise करना है, छोड़ो उसको, ठीक है, revise करना है तो मतलब उसी को लिखो, right? What happens is you write your very first kind of intros, वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा और neat होता है, या मतलब fast में जाना चाहते हो, your handwriting becomes even much worse, ठीक है, your mind goes faster and your handwriting is not able to keep up your vice versa, कुछ भी हो सकता है. So just write, okay, introduction, ठीक है, मतलब 3 lines में आ रहा है, good, this is the kind of length that I need, or whatever, whatever kind of this thing. Okay, so same thing with regard to conclusion, ठीक है, मतलब conclusion is basically coming. So but your mind is kind of warmed up. So when you go there, मतलब उसको सिर्फ execute करना है आपको, ठीक है. So please do this. It is not easy to write 3 hours में 50 pages. So you have to give the respect it deserves, ठीक है. So पहले करके जाओ, especially for all of you first timers. Most of you are basically first timers. First timers के लिए you have no idea कि मतलब time कहाँ पे जा रहा है. How on earth is this clock for sure is basically just going much faster than my clock घर पे, ऐसा फील होता है, ठीक है. एंड वहाँ पे they'll have like 2 bell ringing, ठीक है, and they'll say कि पहला वाला ring is like just an indicator, and second वाले से आप start कर सकते हो, but after evening मतलब in the end में पहला वाला itself they'll basically sort of snatch it off. There is nothing you can do about it, ठीक है. So mentally prepare करके रखो कि even if it is 2 hours 55, ठीक है, you will still be able to complete your paper, right? The blocks I would say is, see, I'll give you 4 blocks for your GS. So GS 1, okay, let's say, ठीक है, so what you're going to do is the first block is going to be GS नहीं, मतलब this is GS papers, okay, this is the first block, this is question number 11 all the way till 15, ठीक है, इसके लिए कितना टाइम आपको देना है, it is going to be till 10 नहीं 9:55, 9:55, memorize this number, ठीक है, and then the second block is going to be question number 16 to question number 20. So this is going to be, your time is going to be 10:50. The third block is going to be question number 1 to 5. Where should you be? You should be 11:25. Okay, and question number 4, okay, is going to be question number 6 to 10. Okay, and it can be 12 or something, it can be 11:59, it can be 12:01, it doesn't necessarily matter. You please don't, get up and be like, ma'am, it is done. ठीक है, they have to basically come here, sir आएंगे, वो until they basically try to snatch it, ठीक है, you keep writing, ठीक है, अगर फिनिश कर लिया तो अंडरलाइन करो, कुछ करो, ठीक है, मतलब बट डोंट बेसिकली लेट देम टेक इट, एक एक्स्ट्रा मार्क अगर लेके आ सकते हो, ठीक है, दैट इज़ 10 रैंक्स, अगर यू कैन डू दिस कंसिस्टेंटली 7 times, दैट इज़ मतलब 70 रैंक्स, ठीक है, सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड ना, सो मतलब 70th रैंक से मतलब यू कैन इवन गो टू योर फर्स्ट रैंक वाला थिंग. It is really possible 1 to 2 marks ऐसा है, ठीक है, and even in the beginning if they allow you to basically just go through, just read, be shameless, doesn't necessarily matter, as long as you're basically not cheating, ठीक है, it is fine, ठीक है, मतलब and go through, brainstorm, if they allow you to write, just मतलब start writing, ठीक है, whatever it is, ठीक है, everything, because you don't know in which center कौन क्या कर रहा है, but अगर उनका 1 mark का lead मिलता है, ठीक है, that is again, it's a huge kind of a fight, ठीक है, so just ensure कि मतलब illegal कुछ मत करो, ठीक है, but जितना time, right, until they basically snatch off that particular piece of paper, you can keep writing or doing something on it. So this is basically the time that you want to keep in mind. अगर ये 2:55 मतलब this is going to be 2:55, this is going to be this is going to be 2:55, this is going to be 3:50, ठीक है, this is going to be 4:25 and this is going to be 5. So ये वाला this thing you just memorize it. But what I would say is ensure that each and every one of these things 11, ठीक है, so पहला वाला 11 minutes, second one 22 में होना चाहिए, third one 33 में होना चाहिए, fourth one 44 में होना चाहिए, fifth one 55 में. So every one of these blocks you just try to ensure that you are you finish them. You look at these things as 4 subtests. So think of them as 4 subtests. Okay, not as the whole thing. Okay, and I can't emphasize this enough, right? I've seen some students who said कि मतलब paper completed है sir, but I was kind of pressed for time. ठीक है, this was like couple of last questions, right? So मतलब एंथ्रो को बता रहा हूँ, it's optional का, ठीक है. So there was Varna and Buddhism, relatively easy kind of questions, right? Completed, yes, from here all the way till here, but net अगर वो आप देखोगे बाद में it is only intro, conclusion and 2 point यहाँ पे, एक heading and 2 point, एक heading and 2 point. So net it is still not your best answer. You are basically kind of bleeding a lot in this block. You don't want to be bleeding. So what you do is यहाँ से, so if you do this kind of speed writing here, right? Whatever it is, जितना भी आता है उस समय लिखो, ठीक है, बाउंसर है तो वहीं पे लिखिए, जस्ट फिनिश इट, ठीक है, क्वेश्चन दैट डजंट मैटर, एवरी क्वेश्चन बेसिकली डिजर्व्स इक्वल अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम, एंड इंश्योर दैट दिस ब्लॉक यू हैव कंप्लीटेड ऑन टाइम. अगर ये कंप्लीट हो गया पहला वाला ब्लॉक, इफ इट इज बेसिकली डन, इट इज जनरली अ वेरी वेरी गुड स्कोर, ठीक है, बिकॉज you're not going to be bleeding marks anywhere else, ठीक है, जनरली. इसके बाद even if you're not basically looking at your watch, but you should look at your watch, ठीक है, but even if you're not looking at your watch, generally by यहाँ पे finish हो जाता है, ठीक है. The problem happens when you're not able to sort of reach this particular point, ठीक है. This essentially मान लो कि instead of like 9:55 it becomes 10. Every one of these में your mind is not thinking कि what else can I bring in here? How do I basically add something? Can I bring in another kind of dimension? इसको examine your mind is going to be thinking कि यार 3 और मिनट को पकड़ना है, ठीक है, 4 और मिनट को पकड़ना है, ठीक है, मतलब you're basically going into a defensive mode and you do not want to be in a defensive mode. Okay, so this is the major sort of idea, and your main goal is examples as well. See, this is your goal number 1. This could be your goal number 2. ठीक है, so why am I saying this, right? So when you are there, right, it cannot be, think of any kind of question that they can ask you, right? It may not be something that you have practiced, right? So उस समय ऐसा मत सोचो कि नहीं everything has to have like some kind of statistic or an example or something. अगर है तो great, डाल दो, वरना you make points, right? And your entire job is to ensure कि मतलब you are beating everybody else in terms of number of points. ठीक है, now ऐसा होगा कि some of the points are basically good, some of the points are basically moderate, some of the points you might think कि मतलब it's not the greatest of points. ऐसे मत सोचो. As long as you feel कि मतलब moderately relevant है, या you have the ability to kind of make it relevant to this particular question or that particular dimension or that heading of that particular question, put it in, let them take that call. ठीक है, you don't second guess. right? ठीक है, you put everything that you can somehow connect to this particular topic within that particular space, within that particular time. If you can do this, then give it to them. Let them basically decide. So if you basically complete like this, right, put in a lot of points, okay, wherever you have some examples, you can basically put it in, okay, and you are able to complete this 4 slots within that kind of time, meaning 4 sub test को equally आप complete कर रहे हो, ठीक है, you are going to get a very very good score, ठीक है. Generally it never basically goes wrong, ठीक है. This is all you've got to do, right? The idea should be that what can I basically do to ensure that I don't have a bad day, ठीक है. There are going to be papers जहाँ पे you're going to score 5 marks more than somebody else, 7 marks more than somebody else, which is great. You must have put in a lot of effort and you know your day must have gone really well, ठीक है. But you know, let's say if you know your day did not go as well as you would have wanted, वहाँ पे मतलब 5-7 नहीं, you know, you'll basically not drop like that. You'll basically drop मतलब 20 marks drop होता है, ठीक है. So you know you end up losing a lot more than what you've basically gained somewhere else. So every kind of lead that you've built up basically goes off. So मान लो कि 3 पेपर में you have basically gotten 7 better than some good students, ठीक है. एक पेपर में अगर आपका -20 हो जाता है, ठीक है, it is basically nullified. You understand, right? Okay, so basically my point is try to ensure that the downside is protected. As long as you do this, 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 matlab, you know, you will get a very very good score, okay. And then within that you maximize, okay, these 2 things and that should suffice. As long as you do this, don't even worry, okay. उसके बारे में सोचना भी नहीं है, ठीक है. You know, this is all you've got to do. In terms of revision, what you do, you cannot revise everything, but revise whatever you think is kind of important and everything that you want to kind of look at it in the last minute or some things that you're kind of forgetting, ठीक है. ऐसे कर लो, ठीक है, so that you know you have something, some kind of you know idea है इस topic को लिखने के लिए, that should be more than fine. But to think that I will basically go through everything, ठीक है, it's not going to be practically possible. It is not practically required also. Exactly. So this is basically your GS 1 to 3 के लिए maximization of your score. Now in terms of ethics, ठीक है, ethics basically has part A and part B, okay. Now most of you are doing exactly like how I said, so you continue. If somebody else you're watching this and you're using another kind of method, whatever you have practiced उसी को जाके वहाँ पे implement करना. I don't want to be experimenting, ठीक है. So you're going to have 6 questions here and you're going to have 13 questions here, okay. Now think about this in terms of pages, okay. This is very clear. यहाँ पे 26 pages आपको लिखना है, okay. And here in these 6 questions generally you will have मतलब 5 पेज देते हैं. Sometimes they might even give you some extra, ठीक है. So let's say that you have 5 pages here and 5 1/4, ठीक है. I'm going to keep 5.33 pages. Why am I keeping this? Basically you'll have the English ka question and then you'll have the Hindi ka question followed by a little bit of space, followed by you have a total of 5 pages, okay. So this is basically what is the math here, ठीक है. You add all of these, so 5.33 multiplied by 6 is going to be kitna? It is going to be 32, okay. It's 32 pages total, okay. If you're trying to complete both of these things, you're going to have total of 58 pages. Unless you have 58 pages का लिखने का ability and that kind of speed, ठीक है, this is not something that you want to completely use up. कहाँ पे है ये 5.33 something that you will not be able to do that kind of justice unless you have your handwriting is like very big and you know जो भी है, ठीक है. But this is 58 pages is not going to be possible. Now if let's say you have the ability to write 58 pages, because there are years in which you know the papers used to be 60 pages, ठीक है, 60 पेजेस होते थे एंड यू नो वी हैड राइट ऑल 60 पेजेस. ऐसे भी हैं, सो मतलब यू नो इट इज़ लाइक ह्यूमनली पॉसिबल एंड लेट्स से दैट यू आर यू नो दैट पर्सन हु यू नो इट इज़ ह्यूमनली पॉसिबल फॉर यू, ठीक है. अगर आपसे हो सकता है. ऑल्सो रिमेंबर देर इज़ फॉर ईच ऑफ दिस काइंड ऑफ केस स्टडीज़ के लिए इट विल टेक यू 3 to 4 minutes टू रीड एंड प्रोसेस, ठीक है. एक रीडिंग विल बी क्विक बट टू प्रोसेस इट विल बी समवेयर बिटवीन 3 to 4 minutes, ठीक है. एंड फॉर ईच ऑफ दीज थिंग्स यू हैव 14 minutes टोटल. You understand, right? There is a total of 14 minutes. So if you have 14 minutes, I'll tell you, you might think it is 15, but I'll tell you it is 14 minutes. अगर आप मानोगे, right? If you think of it like this, you have 58 pages. And if I reduce it, you know, 4 minutes per question, जहाँ पे you're not reading, you're not writing, you're basically reading. So that is 6 times 4, which is going to be 24 minutes. So you have basically 2 hours and 36 minutes. Okay, so be cognizant of the fact that, ठीक है, this is not going to be that easy. It is not going to be possible. Are there students who completed it? Yes. ठीक है, you know, is it going to be possible for you? Only you can answer this, right? For most, they cannot. Okay, I cannot for sure. ठीक है, this is something that I will not be able to do it. So I have to be kind of realistic with this thing. So what I would generally suggest is try to keep it to 3.33. ठीक है, या 3.5 pages. If you're writing 3.5, okay, multiplied by let's say 6. So how many is it going to come to? 18 plus it's 21 pages. Correct? So if it's 21 pages, so 21 plus this is going to be total of 26 plus 21 is going to be your 47 in kitne minutes? 2 hours and 36. Okay, so this might be more realistic with a fight for most of you. Okay, and that is that. If you have bigger handwriting या मतलब थोड़ा सा बड़ा लिखने वाले हो, ठीक है, then you can even kind of push it to 4. So if you push it to 4, it is going to be 24. ठीक है, so if it is 4 times 6, ठीक है, is 24. So अगर 24 होगा यहाँ पे, it is going to be कितना? 26 plus 24, which is going to be a total of 50, but this 50 in 2 hours and 36. It might be, you might be pushing it. ठीक है, may or may not be possible. I would think that it is going to be much harder to be able to deliver on this, or you're going to be able to deliver on this with a compromise in your 13 questions, जहाँ पे it is 26 pages में compromise हो सकता है. Neither of which is kind of ideal. Is this clear? So whatever you have practiced, you please practice some case studies and देखो कि मतलब in 14 minutes कितना ही लिख पा रहे हो. ठीक है, या so you'll get it, right? So in case you're able to write in 5 minutes, ठीक है, या just try to see 3.5 minutes में कितना time लग रहा है, 4.5 के लिए कितना लग रहा है. ठीक है, so and then you kind of get an idea कि which is the idea. But I would say कि मतलब 3.5 अगर लिखोगे, it is kind of more or less possible. ठीक है, it will be like your GS 1, 2, 3 का kind of pace. Is this clear? This is what you are going to do for your ethics. Is this clear? यहाँ पे in this one, so part A, you can still write, ठीक है, because you don't have to, when you're pressed for time, it's मतलब छोटा सा एक क्वेश्चन होगा, and then you have to be able to put an intro, conclusion, some dimension, some examples, do justice to it. ठीक है, a couple of headings, and I think it will be good. ठीक है, but if you take part B, okay, part B, have your framework ready. Okay, so let's say intro. ठीक है, you have stakeholders, right, ethical issues, right, and then you have ethical issues के बाद what do you have? Options, merits, demerits, okay, measures, what will be your choice, या क्या measure लोगे? I'm writing it as measure, it might come across as anything depending upon the wording that they use. Conclusion. This is your format for all. ठीक है, now when you see that particular question, see कि क्या क्या इन्होंने पूछा है. ठीक है, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes they might have asked only this and this. Sometimes they might ask you this, this and this. Sometimes they might ask you this and directly this. So देखो कि क्या है. I would suggest that you write everything because it helps you kind of address all of these. All the stakeholders है, तो मतलब you'll be able to generate more points because you have to see कि who can come in where and what kind of role has to be done and who has to be kind of protected. When all those things के लिए it will be helpful. Ethical issues is something that I would write even if it is not being asked because you have to use ethical justification and you will understand what are these issues specifically, explicitly आपको दिख रहा है आपके सामने because you're writing this. But whatever is being asked specifically उसके लिए थोड़ा सा space ज़्यादा डाल. This is basically what I'm saying. You understand ना? So the portion that is specifically asked as your A, B, C, D या A and B and C उसके लिए थोड़ा सा extra लिख लो. ठीक है? That's basically my point here. ठीक है? 14 minutes and finish this. यहाँ पे in your part A, so you're going to have a total of 1 hour and 24 minutes. ठीक है, so 13 questions here, right, 130 marks. Okay, so generally if you see, if you have let's say 125 marks, okay, it is going to be कितना, right, it's 1.5 hours. वो 1.5 hours also, just remember 1.5 hours नहीं रहता है because there'll be some kind of distraction, you'll have to sign something, attendance देना पड़ता है, मतलब they will ask you some, all these things will be there. It never feels 1.5 hours. So what you can do, okay, मान लो if it is 1 hour 30 minutes, okay, even if you get 1 hour 30 minutes, okay, this is 130 marks, it's more than that, right? So you have 1 hour 36 minutes here. Is this kind of clear? So it's not equal kind of split. ठीक है, यहाँ पे you have 26 pages to write. ठीक है, अगर 25 pages है in your typical pace, you'll be able to write in 1.5 hours, right? So but यहाँ पे you have a little more than that as well, and यहाँ से भी time कम ही मिलेंगे, right? So just plan कि मतलब you have 1 hour and 36 minutes here, and then you address this in 1 hour and 26. This is going to be a challenge. बट अगर आपने प्रैक्टिस करके मॉर्निंग में, यू जस्ट ट्राई टू सी टू इट दैट यू आर बेसिकली सॉल्विंग वन केस स्टडी एंड वन नॉर्मल वाला क्वेश्चन और समथिंग, या टू नॉर्मल वाला क्वेश्चंस, ठीक है, एक कोट करो, एक नॉर्मल वाला कर लो, ठीक है, जस्ट काइंड ऑफ लाइक वार्म अप, okay, and if you're not able to do it in the morning, that's totally fine, you can do it in the middle wala thing. In the middle wala period, nobody basically writes it, even though they want to do it, because some last minute ke revision ke liye, or you just don't get a good place to be able to say it or to write it. So my suggestion is somehow do it if you can. मतलब थोड़ा सा warm up करके जा रहे हो, if your first case study is basically quick, every other kind of case study is going to go faster. Generally, यहाँ पे by the time students are done here, it is like 1 hour 45 minutes, 1 hour 50 minutes, leaving you with 70 minutes. 70 minutes नहीं, कितना बाकी है, ठीक है, मतलब it's instead of this 90 something minutes, you're basically getting 15-20 minutes less. So यहाँ पे you end up making a lot of compromises. But part A is also kind of very scoring. Right, part A में मतलब it's not something पढ़ के लिखना है, right? So मतलब it's just about addressing each question using some ethical terms, putting in all kinds of examples, just that you have to kind of tweak the examples and suit the need of this particular question. It's kind of scoring. You understand, right? So मतलब there are lots you can do here, so don't be pressed for time. So in every one of these tests, whether it is GS 1 to 3 or whether it is your ethics, okay, just ensure that you just go and execute to the best of your ability here. As long as you execute, as two tests, this is one test and this one test, and the previous one may you're basically doing it as 4 different kind of tests, and if each of these tests may you're just doing in that particular time period what is the max that I can do when you do it, yahan pe what is the best I can do and maximize it, yahan pe also so this is not really maximizing your kind of performance, you're also maximizing the marks in each of these kind of blocks, ठीक है, you will not get bad scores, you will not have the bad paper, ठीक है. अगर ये for example अगर यहाँ पे ये में कुछ हो जाता है, ठीक है, एक ब्लॉक बेसिकली काइंड ऑफ punishes you. So our entire goal is to ensure that all of the papers basically are giving us decent scores and we just don't have a bad paper, because bad अगर है, right, so let's say that ethics का पेपर में you were not able to complete one something, एक दो क्वेश्चन में बहुत कॉम्प्रोमाइज हो जाता है, जनरली द मार्क्स बेसिकली ड्रॉप्स एंड इट ड्रॉप्स अप टू लाइक 17 18 19 20 मार्क्स तक ड्रॉप होता है. सो यू जस्ट डोंट वांट अ बैड पेपर, just execute the best to your ability, ठीक है, exactly according to the rules that I'm basically giving you. You will not have bad scores. Your GS plus SA में you're going to have a very very strong start and you're going to be equivalent to anybody else, ठीक है, anybody else. Now everything basically comes down to your option. It becomes your optional cutting. Is that clear? So this is how I would say you matlab execution make it perfect, right? What your knowledge is and all those things matters to some extent, ठीक है, and those are things that we cannot control anymore. But within this kind of knowledge also you have a certain potential. इतना आप definitely score कर सकते हो, ठीक है, and वो score आपको लेके आना है, not even like मतलब 2% 3% less than that, and you can do that if you can just execute it flawlessly. So my best wishes to you, right? Just do really well, okay? मतलब just be very cool. Just go and execute. Take care. Whatever has happened, take care in the morning wala paper. Don't think about it in the afternoon. Whatever has happened in the afternoon wala paper, don't think it for the next day. Take care. Just focus on what is in front of you. Just to give your best. Take care all the way till your your 5th paper is done. Then just relax. उसके बाद सोचना मत. ठीक है. Now everything basically boils down to your option. Give your best there. Try to be in the highest kind of scoring ranges. ठीक है. So that's all. All the very best. ठीक है. I'm sure that you'll do really well. Okay. All the best.